everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back at the retail football break. I got some 2018 Panini Prizm blaster boxes. Now each blaster box comes with only 24 cards, but does include one autograph or mem card per box, and includes 3 of these laser prisms. So these are of course $19.99. I did get them a little bit cheaper online for $17, so we'll see how we go. My guess is that you probably have a 95% chance of getting a mem card, but at least you do have a shot for an autograph out of these, even though it's probably going pretty hard, but we'll see. We'll open a bunch of these up and see if we can hit some autos out of these. So let's go ahead and do this 2-box break here. Alright, pack 1. It's not a bad design this year. Pretty plain. Vic Beasley. Hype. Derek Carr. We got Samuel's rookie card for the Steelers and Odell Beckham and Kids Reporter code. Whoop. Slipper. Ooh, I got a Prizm. Lee, Kelsey, O.J. Howard, and John Kelly, rookie for the Rams. The laser. This must be the laser. It's the first time I open up a blaster. That is pretty cool looking. Wow. Not a bad looking card. So you get 3 of those. Not a bad deal. And a hit. Let's see, we got Trubisky, Watt, Kareem Hunt. Nice. And Chris Hogan. And Kids Reporter code. Alright, so she had 1 more of those and 1 hit left in these 3 packs. Clay, Adula, Burnett, rookie card for the Titans. Alright, so let's see. This feels like a jersey card pack, so we'll save that for last. T.Y. Hilton, Torrey Smith, Josh Norman, laser, and Derek Carr again. Alright, the hit is backwards. Joe Mixon from our Bengals. Mike Hughes, a rookie card. Amendola, Kids Reporter code, and the jersey, Pettis, for the 49ers. Dante Pettis. There's the back. Pretty similar to past years. I think it's a little bit nicer maybe in some of the past years, but there we go. There's the hit. Alright, everything I was supposed to get, I got, so can't complain about that. 1 insert. 3 of the lasers. Alright, box 2, pack 1. Robinson, I get the hype again. It's Odell Beckham. These are just sharp looking inserts. Landry, rookie card for the Titans. Gurley, and Kids code. Fuller, Flacco, Calvin Ridley, nice laser. Gives a nice playing time for Atlanta. And Khalil Mack. Freeman, Hearns, Xavier Rhodes, and Thean. Slay, Peterson, Kelvin Benjamin. So I get 2 vet ones again. Green, Kids code. Fred Taylor, Boyd, Lamar Jackson rookie. Nice. I don't think I've had him yet. And Prizm. And Drew Brees. Alright, last pack. Feels pretty thick again. Alright, Golden Tate. Jalen Holmes rookie card for the Vikings. Doug Baldwin. Kids Report code. And for the Steelers, Mason Rudolph. Jersey, base jersey. Alright, that's the break. Let's check out how many rookie cards I ended up getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 rookie cards per blaster. Pretty nice to get that Lamar Jackson in there. 1 insert per blaster. Pretty nice looking hype inserts yet. Do love these blue laser. I ended up getting 2 rookie because of that Ridley. Very cool. And the 2 hits. Pettis and Mason Rudolph. Now, let me know, guys, if you open up some blasters. Let me know if you got a auto hit out of a blaster yet. I'm just wondering how rare it is going to be get an auto. I definitely will buy more if I get them for around down $15. I think it's a pretty good buy. You get a jersey card, blue lasers, and several rookie cards. So I think it could be a decent value for $15 or under if you get these. So that's it for this break, 2 blaster break of 2018 Panini Prizm, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.